the spark that stirs inside our throats. We're the youth, the lost and found, the ones who live by every sound. Sound of the ages, pulse of our soul, beat that defines us, a voice we obey. Sound of the ages, guides or betrays, a whisper soft, a scream so loud. Some find hope, some find pain, when music calls by our name. It's power pure, blade and balm, storm that rages or stays calm. Ages pass on, but the rhythm stays. They're in our dreams, our day-to-days. In every song, our dreams and fear, the beat that binds, the rhythm that breaks. It's the sound that shapes us all. Sound of the ages, pulse of our soul, beat that defines us, a voice we obey. Sound of the ages, guides or betrays. Chase the lines we know, echoes from years long ago. Yet every generation finds the tune that rewrites all our minds.